Hi, okay, thanks for today. And as of now, till now, we've seen that what is called why we are using a PHP other than Node.js or like that, and so many most advanced applications are using PHP only, and in the Laravel is the most advanced framework in that PHP. We can develop REST API and web applications also using a PHP, and we are designing this is that syntax. And that means you can see why how can we declare the variable and how can we store the data to variable, and how can we write the functions, how can we call the functions, and what is called how can I write the function, how can we call the function, how can we declare the variable global like that. We already seen, and we seen already operators like assignment, arithmetic, uh, and data types like string, nullable, where what is called integer, number like that. You seen already everything, and arithmetic operators, assignment, comparison, increment, logical operators, string operators, addition, condition like that. You seen, okay. And you already seen some functions using with PHP: array push, array pop, array splice, unset, array difference, array shift, sorting arrays, ascending arrays like that. You already seen. And we will go to form. Okay, how can we take inputs from client and how can we show that into what is called table like that. We will show it, I will guide you. Okay, and I will show you how to can we use the forms. Okay, normally you know HTML element like form, action, form, name equal to some first name. Okay, what is the okay, what is the difference between a post and get is simply we can con send sensitive data and URL, and we cannot send more large data with get, because it is within URL. Okay, if we send post, okay, it's not showing. Okay, now I will how to take that inputs and how to print that. I will show that some welcome dot php and welcome dot php. In that I will write you seen that what is called global functions, global variables. Using this we can take print that. First name, last name. So we are taking like this whatever the send using a post method, and we can send we can take using get also. Like this same thing, nothing is repeat, but security purpose we are using post only. I will go with a big name, with a big data. Name, email, website, comment. Okay, like that we can go with. And simply this is a very simple form. Whatever the inputs given in this form, we are taking from the inputs from we are grabbing the inputs when welcome.php using these settings, and we can go with whatever the third word is called self. What is a self? That means it is a prints at action is self. Okay, you see self is a self. Since self post method, get method, and sending data to another file and process, and it in outputs. Next, I will send that data to one function. It will process and show at particular spot. Simply, first we will send the data. First we will create a one form. We already seen, and simply with this form, we have a name attribute. Whenever the request method is equal to post, so we are processing this, and after everything, we are printing that. Well, that means we are stored in your data, and it is printing this. This is the thing. Now we are validating inputs, and if error, it prints at particular spot. Create form, take the inputs are entered into PHP, and print that. If error, print. Everything is required. So if I not give the input, it is not required. That's why it is not printed. Gender is required. This is not required. So it is not gender is required. You got it my point. So like this we will do validations. Now I will explain the code. It normally you already seen the code. How can we write this? Simply what is called input, taking the inputs, and if we got the printer, we will storing into variable. Request method is called post. If we got the not empty, empty is a function. It is checking that given variable is has the empty or not. If it is empty, the data empty the variable, it is printing like this. If it is not empty, we will print like that. That is the thing.